Welcome back to the Aristopats Travel and Adventure channel. We're here in the kitchen of the urban farmstead. It is I, the striking Viking, coming to you along with your intrepid correspondent,
Hey.
the trippin' sister. And we're up to no good. Can you tell the fine folks out there in YouTube land exactly what we're doing today?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm stuffing some chicken breast
Yes.
with,
Stop it. Stop it.
I'm stuffing chicken breast with Parmesan cheese, onions, mushrooms, and spinach.
And where are these breasts of which you speak?
They're right here.
They're right here on the counter?
And Italian seasoning, and
Oh my Lord, will you look at that?
I'm wrapping them in prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Everybody likes the fruit of the swine. Now tell me, what did you do to these breasts before you went to stuff them? Because they look a little different than your regular chicken breast.
Well, I made a marinade for them.
A marinade?
Yes.
And what went into the marinade?
Well, I can't tell you all my secrets, but...
Well, tell us some of your secrets.
Well, Italian seasonings.
Yes.
What else did I put? Oh, some balsamic vinegar.
Olive oil.
Olive oil, yes.
Mm-hmm. What else?
I'm not telling you anything else. That's all you get.
11 secret herbs and spices.
You want to know what it is? You'll have to write me.
Harlan Sanders would be proud.
Put it in the comment section and I'll email you.
Uh-huh. So we have the chicken breasts, which were marinated, sliced open, and then what went into the chicken breasts?
I just told you. Spinach, mushroom, onions, Italian seasoning.
Spinach, mushroom, onions, Italian seasoning, butter, lots of butter.
Well, I marinated it in a little butter.
Uh-huh.
Not a lot of butter.
Uh-huh. Some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, I understand.
Yes. I
Yes.
said that already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, stop
Okay.
fishing. I ain't telling you nothing else.
Now you're wrapping them in prosciutto. And why are we wrapping them in prosciutto, honey?
Because I'm going to fry them.
You're going to what?
I-
Fry them in that pan there?
I'm going to fry them in here. I'm going to brown them on all sides. And then they go into the oven.
Oh.
And then I'm going to make a mushroom onion sauce.
I think I may faint dead
With heavy-
away at the
with heavy
description.
cream.
With heavy cream. Oh, Lord save me. That
Okay, goodbye,
sounds
y'all.
fabulous.
I'm busy. Bye-bye.
So we've got them wrapped up. They're going to go onto the fry pan, and then from the fry pan, they're going to go into the oven. And we'll catch up with you in a bit.
Okay, quick run through. I wrapped them in prosciutto. They're stuffed with mushroom, spinach, and onion. And here I'm browning them in some olive oil and butter mixture. Make sure you brown it on all sides. It's going to go back in the oven after you do that, or into the oven for 30 minutes after you brown it. Then you're going to take it out of the oven. You're going to take the drippings from your pan, add a roux to it, a flour roux, and make your gravy. Add heavy cream, put it on your plate, and give it a taste test like I'm doing right here. I wonder what Mr. Viking thinks of it. Let's see. I think he likes it. All right, you guys. I'll see you next time. Keep tripping.